Good morning, students. In this video, we shall study the unit muscles of long bones of human limbs. As we know, muscle is one of the type of tissue which help in movement of body parts, the movement as well as locomotion. The muscle is one of the fibrous tissue. The actin and myosin protein filaments are useful in moving our body parts. Muscles help to maintain the posture and position of the body. As far as the embryonic germ cells are concerned, the mesodermal layer make the muscles. The type of or the process of making the muscles in the embryonic development is called as myogenesis. We also know that 50% of our body weight is filled by the muscles. There are basically three types of muscles present in our body. One, skeletal muscles. These muscles are also known as striated muscles, and they are voluntary muscles also. As they are under our control, they are voluntary muscles. They are striated because, as far as the structure is concerned, they show striations, and these striations are in the form of dark and light bands. These skeletal muscles are named as they are connected to the skeleton, that is to the bones, so the name given. Smooth muscles are also known as non-striated muscles because they does not have striations and they are involuntary in function. They are present deep inside our body. They are present in the systems like digestive tract. They are also present in the reproductive tract. So they are making uh, the viscera of our body, and they are doing their role. They are working involuntarily without, or they are not under control of our will. So they do it as per their own activity. So the smooth muscles are smooth, they don't have striations, whereas cardiac muscles are also involuntary muscles. They are making only one part of our body, that is heart. And as we know, the heart is also not under our control. So these are the basic types of muscles present in our body, which make our various body organs. There are some types of muscles which help in either contracting the arm or extending the arm. Those are helpful for reducing the angle between two bones, which help in contracting or which help in bending the arm, are flexor muscles. And there are various types of muscles under this group, like flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris, flexor digitorum profundus, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor pollicis longus, flexor pollicis brevis, and flexor digiti minimi brevis manus. As far as the names are concerned, the names of the muscles are given as per their position, as per their position nearing the skeleton. So they help in reducing the angle between two nearest uh, bones or in between the joint also. The second type is extensor muscles. These extensor muscles are, of course, working exactly opposite to the flexor muscles. They are increasing the angle between the members of a limb or a joint. And these muscles are extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor carpi radialis longus, and extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor digitorium, extensor indicis, extensor pollicis brevis, and extensor pollicis longus. All these muscles are shown in the diagram. Whenever you see this video, you can stop this video, and at that time you can learn all these muscles. This is only the introductory part about this extensor and flexor muscles. We shall see all these muscles in detail, for its origin, for its insertion, for receiving the blood vessel and the nerve in detail in the further part. There is another type of muscle present, that is rotator muscles. These rotator muscles help in rotating the arm as well as rotating the legs. The sorry, rotating muscles are named as rotator cuff, and they are made up of four types of muscles in a group. The names are supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. These all muscles are shown in the diagram. These muscles attached, or they are very close to the humerus bone and pectoral girdle. To rotate our arm, these muscles are helpful. You can also see these muscles, four muscles located at various positions nearing the shoulder region. Another type of muscles are abductor muscles. Abductor muscles pull a body part away from the midline of the body. For example, your leg. Whenever you pull your leg away from your midline, that at that this type of movement is controlled by the abductor muscles. Opposite to this is adductor muscles. These are the group of muscles. Their name itself suggests that primary function of the adductor muscle is to bring the arm closer, or to bring the leg closer to your body. And the muscles involved in it are pectineus, adductor brevis, adductor longus, adductor magnus, and gracilis muscles. These muscles are also shown in the diagram of this slide. Now, in the next video, we shall study the muscles of four limbs, as you can see in the slide. So, muscle by muscle, we shall study its origin, its insertion, nerve, as well as artery. We shall meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.